Alright, we're here with our energy being family. Can you do a sparkle of light for the camera, real bright, so that I can see you? Thank you. Super bright. That was great. Can you do it a little bit brighter? I'm going to zoom in. Can you do it a little bit brighter? Thank you. A little bit brighter, guys. Like super bright. There we go. That's cool. Can you do it a little bit brighter, guys? Just like super bright. Can you do like a couple pops of light, like really bright? Thank you, Orb family, Energy Beam family. Thank you. Can you do like really bright pops of light? I don't know why it got so bright all of a sudden. Right there. Go back up a little bit right there. Thank you. Can you do like super bright pops of light? Thank you, guys. I'm holding my hand out there. You can do like a bright pop of light near my fingers. Like a really bright one. Oh, that was cool. Great. Thank you very much. That was awesome. Can you do that again? That was great. That was perfect. That was really great. Thank you. Can you do it again? That was a great one. Can you do that one again? That was a really good one. Thank you. Okay. Alright, guys. Thanks a lot. Love you.